I am starting a new segment in which I will ask a question on a topic from a previous video. Today's question will be on circle theorem. A link to this video will be in the description below, or click the video above on the top right hand corner. Now here's the question. The diagram shown, not drawn to scale, shows a circle. Angle ABC is 43 degrees. Calculate angle AOC. Write your answers in the comments below. Hi everyone. Before we begin today's tutorial, I'd just like to shout out Josiah Official World. He won 2 tickets to see Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. And his comment was, "Thank God for the additional help in maths besides school." Right, I really appreciate your comment, Josiah, and congratulations on winning the 2 tickets to see Black Panther Wakanda Forever. I hope you enjoy. Today's tutorial will be on reducible equations. So what I refer to as reducible equations are equations that are disguised, but with a lot of manipulations, you can get it to look like a quadratic equation and solve. So these are the steps to solve reducible equations. So first, expand and simplify all indices, trying to get a common base. Step 2, substitute a variable for the common base. Step 3, make it look like a quadratic equation. Step 4, solve the quadratic equation. And step 5, solve for the unknown in the first step. So let's do this example. X to the power 4 minus 7x squared plus 12 equal to 0. So let's put y to be equal to x squared. So then y squared is equal to x to the power 4. So let's substitute it into the original equation. So you'll get y squared minus 7y plus 12 equal to 0. Remember, y is equal to x squared. So we just substitute it into the original equation. So we solve using factorizing. We factorize the quadratic. You can use your calculator to solve it also. So y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. Next, we solve. So we know that y is equal to x squared. So 4, which is what we got for, which was one of the answers we got for y. So 4 is equal to x squared. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. And then 3 is equal to x squared. So x is equal to minus or plus or minus 1.73. So x can be negative 2 or positive 2, negative 1.73 or positive 1.73. Let's do another example. 2 to the power 2x plus 1 plus 5 multiplied by 2 to the power x minus 3 is equal to 0. So remember, this is a equation that can be written as a quadratic equation, right? So this is an equation that is disguised, but it can be written as a quadratic equation. So let's look and see if we can manipulate this to get it to look like a quadratic equation. So we can put y equal to 2 to the power x. So therefore, y squared would be equal to 2 to the power 2x. And if we expand 2 to the power 2x plus 1, we can use any laws of indices. It can be written as 2 to the power 2x multiplied by 2. which is 2 to the power 1, right? We can rewrite that as, can rewrite the entire equation as y squared multiplied by 2 plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2y squared plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. We solve, we factorize. So we get 2y minus 1 multiplied by y plus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to a half and y is equal to negative 3. So now we solve for x. So a half is equal to 2x to the power x. We can rewrite a half as, using the laws of indices, as 2 to the power negative 1, which is equal to 2x. So x obviously is equal to negative 1. We don't solve for the negative value for y equal to negative 3. That is not an answer because it's a negative value. So therefore x is equal to negative 1. Three to the power 2x minus 9 multiplied by 3 to the negative 2x, close brackets, equal to 8. We can rewrite this as 3 to the power 2x minus 9 all over 3 to the 2x equal to 8. Right? Remember the laws of indices. Once it's a negative power, we could put it as a fraction. So let's make y equal to 3 to the power 2x. Substitute into the equation, we get y minus 9 over y equal to 8. We make y the LCM, so we get y squared minus 9 all over y equal to 8. Cross multiply, so we get y squared minus 9 is equal to 8y. We put everything on the left side, so we get y squared minus 8y minus 9 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic. We can solve the quadratic. So y minus 9, we factorize y minus 9 in brackets multiplied by y plus 1 equals to 0. So y is equal to 9 and y is equal to negative 1. So remember that y is equal to 3 to the power 2x, and now we found out that y is equal to 9. So therefore 9 is equal to 3 to the power 2x. We can rewrite 9 as 3 squared. 3 squared is equal to 9. So 3 squared is equal to 3 to the power 2x. We make the indices equal to each other because the bases are equal. So 2 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. We don't use the negative answer.